more. Bitches be boring, I'm just focused on the money and more. Yeah, I'm just focused on the money and more. Bitches be whores trying to set me up. No, I'm not that boy. I'm not that boy. Insane living, so I really know more. Just cause you older don't mean shit. I done been through the storm. My brain crazy, paranoia got me woke till the morning. Smoking this Jody, not no Reggie. I be breaking my lungs.
No, I got the solid.
Worry about the wrong shit, go get you some fun. My body full of ink, nigga. Yo, bitch touch with her tongue. She want me by her mink, nigga. Tell her no, what the fuck. I'm not for cuffing, do no loving, cause that shit is a bluff. Not gonna discuss it, cause it's nothing. I just sit back and puff. I'm trying to slide through my city, drop top like a puff. It's not a biggie, upper send me, turn a nigga to dust. A lot of niggas tried to get me, but I put up a fuss. Can't let a nigga up that send me, I'm up on the first. Insane living, man. Trembling, I can't make this shit out. Can't make it out. Sit back, relax, and smoke the cracks in the back. I got my rack, ain't never rap, this nigga says stack. I'ma stack it through the rain in the store. Bitches be boring, I'm just focused on the money and more. Money and more. Sit back, relax, and smoke the cracks in the back. I got my rack, ain't never rap, this nigga says we slack. What you stack? I'ma stack it through the rain in the store. Bitches be boring, I'm just focused on the money and more. Money and more. Sit back and listen, my vision blurry. I've been sipping Henny, my bars smoke like a chimney. I pray that God be with me. My city kill over envy. I'm stepping straight to my riches. Get a deal, I'ma chill like when the weather be tripping. These bitches steady be tripping. That's why I keep them at distance. And all these niggas be flipping, so I kick back, ain't no gymnast. I never cooked in the kitchen, but I seen bro water whipping. Smoking tracks for the pain. They gon' remember the sipping. They gon' remember me. Like flame, ain't no controlling my game. You wanna name this? I leave her ass at the gate. I tell her step out the way, cause I got paper to taste. Ain't got no time for the fake, so get your ass on my face. I put my cash in the bank. I always play that shit safe, so it ain't no dummies this way. And all I know is the cake, even if it ain't my birthday. And I got family to take care of, I can't die today. Kick back, relax, and smoke the tracks in the back. I got my rack, can't never lack, cause niggas since we was like, build a stack, I'ma stack it through the rain in the store. Let's just be born, I'm just focused on the money and more. Money and more. Kick back, relax, and smoking tracks in the back. I got my rack, can't never lack, cause niggas since we was like, build a stack, I'ma stack it through the rain in the store. Bitches be born, I'm just focused on the money and more. Money and more. Lil G on the track. Money hunger, I be stacking my wallet. Smoke tracks, kick back up beside it. If I get the wild, I'm almost crying in your hair. I'm sirens. My city going crazy and violent. This shit it get violent. Money hunger, I be stacking my wallet. Smoke tracks, kick back up beside it. If I get the wild, I'm almost crying in your hair. I'm sirens. My city going crazy and violent. This shit it be violent. My city crazy, boy. This shit it be violent. Money flowing too fast, y'all niggas catching them bodies. Walking around with big sticks and Glockies. Everybody got guns like it's a hobby. Remember niggas was fighting like it was Rocky. Move silent, can't let these niggas stop me. Gas pack, my plug shit be bustin'. Backwoods, no great, only the Russian. Now I'm back with big woods and Dutchess. Spaced out and higher roll, I'm bustin'. Bank roll be all 20s, I'm hustling. J-Soul don't never fold, I'm locked in. Money hunger, I be stacking my wallet. Smoke back, kick back, I be silent. If I get the wild, and mama's crying in your hair and I'm sirens. My city going crazy, it's violent. This shit it get violent. Money hunger, I be stacking my wallet. Smoke back, kick back, I be silent. If I get the wild, and mama's crying in your hair and I'm sirens. My city going crazy, it's violent. This shit it get violent. Money hunger, I be stacking that shit. Your bitch be all in my DM telling me liquor and shit. She know I'm blowing holla strong, ain't no weakness, bitch. I hit her best friend a couple weeks ago on the whip. Back to the script, you see I'm spitting with no help in this shit. You niggas live for the drama, why you talking this shit?